kumwayitantara address eje yasirima hekuretwa tubase kuba tuinamagara marungi akakubasa kutuyamba kombe kihangari iteri nyamurungi cyakanu tekasa program nkize nsatira abantu bona abafunubuzi bo mu weekend muno wike wire ndenda kubasasira kandi mwabafune birunjo mu weekend eje itwarugamo mu gitabaruke mukurike kandi tusaba ruhanga gumize muna abatambuzaho mu kutunga birunjo byonka mwe bali munonga neza kuba nimbe yonje.
Okay, ayebere munonga Deputy Dean of RDCs and RCCs Moses omujugujugu hati echo mugisha murungi ora RDC
lazima
echo mugisha omurungi munonga ori omwe abakurra ba RDCs na ba RCCs omu Uganda yona nyenda otutandikireje RDC RCC nuwoha kandi megashoye neha
we bari munonga
nkana ahuriyo n'abanyishengero bakugira ngo RDC tashemereye kweta omujwekero wa president washemere ko barayeta commissioner wa district ejo ko bane resident district commissioner so ngo kwemerera hariya arona nguna nemihonda ne yabireho ori akagira ngo member wa parliament agambe denko araheze gamba atwimikize RDC member wa parliament yajatu no nyuwe ninye wamani ukukira RDC kandi RDC ngo ibimutanu muhurira tukujango no mujwekero wa president ngunu president wa district ejo aho president wereka guta Museveni ataro sebo RDC noha
obare munongo mutekasa wa programu omwami maka omugishogundo guwampa echo kubanza cyabyona RDC niwoha RDC ningashi RCC nikimanyisa resident district commissioner kandi RCC nikimanyisa resident city commissioner ba RDCs nabakwembera ama district ago mu byaro then ba RCCs nabo ba abakwembera cities ebingashi ebibuga endembo then bwanyuma yecho ngenda kwana structure ya RDC ko kutambura ahiguru yabona bona twine mukama witu kandi okutwa appointinga oba kweta president obwa hati Yoweri Kaguta Museveni tubuhaburo kakurugaho mu bigerebye hagwa mu bakweta minister in charge of presidency mucyara bikorwa kandi MP wa Budiope West constituency omucyara omurungi honorable Mire babiri babaranda kakuruga haho hazaho bakweta head of the secretariat of the RDCs to the secretary RDCs okujihedinga bamweta Major Martha Asimu kokuruga Major Martha Asimu nabakorana babo ba sister Akroru afande ambako nabanda aba bakorana ba secretariat then ijaza aho bakweta office of the dean ni okustama
so aho no harba commissioner
yes kokuruga office ya dean okustama mu omucyara Justin Mbabazo umucyara munji munonga RDC wawe kiso kakurugaho then hata
no murunjo mikorre ninga
omuri biyona
ningo merebekere
omutima ni murunji imikorere ni mirunji buri kimwe cyora ni kirunji kakurugaho aho RDC I mean dean kandi hata mu deputy dean ogostamina wa kokuruga hari nyowe azoba RDCs ba deputy RDCs na ba assistant RDCs okukubiza mpaka office assistant attendants office secretary mpaka okukubiza mahasa junior structure eyitwe bakweta ya RDCs na ijata RDCs aba RDCs aba nibatekaho iteka ningashi bakweta constitution President Museveni narabira mu constitution article 203 of the constitution kugira ngo there shall be the president shall appoint a resident district commissioner article 203 and their rules shall be as follows ezikuza kuganira then now and the deputies where do assistants come in assistants ni bijiro kurabira Local Government Act section 71 72 and 73 negambari ba assistant so icekiriho cyona ekikogwa mateka biragiro nibituragira ngo abanda bashimwe kuba baruho bakora mirimeje eyinkuza kugambaho ogo kubanza no mulimo ningashi Omwoga gwa RDC kurebeka ngo habaho obutebenkevu mu district obuchurera wahura katera RDC nayo yakushikire aho kuba niwe mukuru w'akakiiko ko Buchurera ekiba kweta District Security Committee niwe chairperson wayo
bwana Deputy Dean aho henyine watandika aha rules emigasho RDC byashimye kuba nakora aho henyine no kwenda tendere enshongeji abantu bagimanya namazima ninga kishikire omuntu kugira ngo nda RDC wa district stage president yataroho ninyendo
RDC nakora nkomujwecherwa wa president is a representative of the president. Only the difference between him and the president is that for him is delegated. He nakora on behalf of the president. Nechabuzima offices bagita office of the president of Mbarara, office of the president of Chiruhura, office of the president Isinjiro, office of the president Kisoro. Ni office ya president then RDC natama mukomujweche gwao.
So bueno omuntu arikwemera harakajati president taro ninye president wa district stage aba president Yoweri Kaguta Museveni nabashikire
nabagwire tokaba president ahubwo tokafutera gakaruru no girote president tariho ninye mujweche wa president nabagwerire kimwe
abo kubana nabantu bonkano baba hariya nimbukurura abantu bagera umuyimwe mukimanye ngo president araha
na hariho mujweche wa president na hataro president. I am a lawyer, I cannot make a mistake. Think what's a current show kandi tuja kushomesa abantu cyo tuwangetera onjiziro tijo shomesa abantu nija kushomesa tokaba president kwiyaho abanyarwanda bahisa kukwata bakafutera karungo be president ngo bashabira karu iwe no mujwechegwa wa president okukora mirimo
MP wechwekecho na RDC wechwekecho no hako bayinamani
katuza order of precedence nomanya ebine bya mateka tuzanzubasa kuza order of precedence eyabireho turebe order of precedence mu Uganda RDC na ariyo mu category ariyo mwanya gwa kanji kushomera order of precedence owo kubanza number 1 citizen mu Uganda is called the president ni wakutukira twena omwihangeri niwe number 1 citizen number 2 the vice president omuyuka we number 3 the speaker number 3 citizen wihangeri naba the speaker number 4 chief justice number 5 the deputy speaker omwami Thomas Tayeb number 6 deputy chief justice number ya mushazo the vice chairman of the NRM number ya munana prime minister ntakujwe katushuma interest yitu interest yitu Nigeria ngo RDC
MP parliament
no okukira mutahiwe nyina kubera amazima according to the order of precedence neteka member wa parliament omwanya gwa 17 warugari ba judges of high court, heads of diplomatic missions, ziba ambassadors nabahi as a member of parliament. Arugari member of parliament as a former national leaders by such one kasekandi ba amama mbabazi our former national leaders. Then the number inspector general of government, chairperson of heads of commissions bakuratao. Then kokheza oza namba ya MP ni namba ya permanent secretary, vice chairperson. So ombugufu nindeba chairperson RDC makuchira MP.
RDC nachara MP.
According to what I'm seeing here. No. MP na mchira no kumna mshanju RDC no wa
RDC ariyo mujabir
na washatu na bashatu.
Ashatu na bashatu. So MP na ina man no amani
okuchira
RDC
abo kuba order of precedence ryo mateka nereka ngo MP no wa namba 17
RDC
ashatu na bashatu cha personal C5 ashatu na bana RDC na cha manoro C5 order of precedence
so ashatu na bana C5 cha person wa district
MP ari mu 17 so koriba ryo mu rukiko rona mu district MP na cha RDC kuya habanda
RDC nuwashemere kuyimusia MP akahendera
kuya hwa difference ayi kugira mwaho niyo kugira mkandogo no mujwe chaga wa number 1
njo chikumuterebe haji
echo chikumuterebe haji kunga matekana gagira order of precedence MP na chiroha
na chara RDC
yes
nico warebire barabantu ba RDC kuba mugizire ngu RDC gamba kora hezi bakagera MP ngu gamba kora hezi otuyimukize RDC ahendere MP ajatu no nyowe tinku imusi RDC nwashemeye kuba nanyi musi aha ngabana nkahendera
kuyaho unless no matekari tugira ngo every rule has exceptions kuyaho RDC ogo yaje kire president mukoro gwa besire president akaja RDC njwekera ngo mutumwa wanje MP na imusa MP na
echo nbamba kimanye
MP na imusoha RDC
echo nbamba kimanye
but minus that according to the law MP na ariya higuru ya RDC
okay
so muteka so program eche chinkwe n'abanyaganda man then RDC twamushobora noha itekere kumuteka ho niriha emirimo ye ebira
emirimo ye neha
emirimo ye no uko kubanza nabanza nakugira niwe cya person we byo butebenkevu obuchurera omukitundu aho mukatabo kanje akakinija nako ne baketa the operational guidelines for resident district commissioners akaka kinyina and deputies and assistant second edition
ubona ubushangwa hino mbahereza ba RDC zibonka
abuno bwa RDC zibonka abo kwa no bwa no bwa RDC so akatawaka kinyi nikakushoborora RDC noha ashemere korachi imirimo ye noha guidelines zabo batambura guidelines ejinika bibuli ya RDCs
so kumukeza kumuhobwa RDC
tumuha bibuli kugira nkuhata ugere shomera bante kigambo otarirenga abintebi video so nimwe nkwenda kurabira ngakushomera ebimwe ahamirimo ya RDCs
okay
echo kubanza nakuja aine kuba nakura security echa kandi aine kureka ngo yamanyisa abantu bono mu district ye programs za government niziha to popularize government programs so no mwoga gwa RDC kumanya programs za government niziha
kandi no kuzimanyisa abantu
okameka sure ngo abantu bazimanya baziganirwamo uwabo ine RDC wanyogwa atakuza radio atakuza TV atakuza machachi kushobora abantu ogwa RDC ino buzima acha abantu no kubashoborota programs za government kandi utakubashanga ibari abantu hata shahezi batirota yari West TV nija kubashoborora kubamanyisa ibikendo so oga wa president gwa MP gwa rather RDC kumanya programs za government nizia kandi akazimanyisa abatuze ba district age
okay
number 2 no mwoga gwa RDC nga office ya president mu district okundisa abantu ihanga
RDC ine kundisa abantu ihanga
yes patriotism tuzo mu mashomero tuga training tuzo mu institutions of higher education training tubakweta patriotism weeks nkisha tina ibiri tubagesa ihanga rya uniriha akwa to kubasa kunde cyo takumanya omwami maka itogoro tori kubasa kunde cyo takumanya oyine kubanza wamanye kintu okahezo kachikunda so no mwoga gwitu wa RDC kumanyisa abanya-Uganda omunya-Uganda wano ma Uganda niki Uganda ne manyisa ki Uganda standing what are the core national values of our country mwogoga gwawo ni guha umihangeri ruhanga yafutiremo oyijuce nyowe gwa hagati yanje niwe tihino watira application ngo azagwa ari umunya-Uganda ninga azagwa ari mu Uganda tukeshangamo ruhanga yacu kozire mbere nunayibare omwoga gwawo ni guha n'omulimo gwa RDC kumanyisa omunya-Uganda omu district egi yarimu ng'omwoga gwa patriotism okundi ihanga lyawe nikimanyisa eki na neki. Omuteekaniso wa program n'omuhonga gwa RDC okumakinga sure ya auditing services eza government ekuleetera ihanga omu districts. Auditing service delivery in all sectors of government, both capital and non-capital in nature. N'okumakinga sure kitule twasindikire ishomero omu district egi nanka liriyo government ekasindika ishomero. One, what are policies of governments? For example, policy ya government negira every parish in Uganda, buli muruka gwono mu Uganda gwine kuba gwine at least one primary school. Wori RDC ostabe mu district hariho muruka mu district ya gutine parish kwa muruka gutine ishomero ya primary no waje mu president Museveni uruko
yetariyo nagerata
no ahandika ka report atumanyisa transformating budgets reports zitu nubazishuma president tumanyisa tena jata okokutari ishuma muri teche ni hano njiro kushasha kwa mani omu constituency ya munywani wanje Thomas Tayebwa deputy speaker wachitinis harisho bano bagita Rwemichenche Church of Uganda Primary School ritaha abipapura konka ritari ha ground dina bashomesa dina teaching dina batechi babashashurwa dina ombakume buli structure yona edgar papura batahanu batunga sende konko no ground tiriru njiziro kushasha kwa mana where was the RDC nigo mwoga gwa RDC umuteganso program
ishomero ryo mbetabo
omu papura birimu government is a capitation grant basindikache konka on ground there is nothing.
Ishomero teruro
Rwemichenche Church of Uganda Primary School in Ruhinda North constituency.
Tereka bahug
I was heartbroken. I was disheartened. I felt sick. Umuteganso program policy ya government Nigeria buri gomborura dine kuba dine at least a secondary school of government. Hahi ni gombora dine government school or RDC no one so wajidi amorko. You are sleeping on the job. Have you informed the which quarter ko?
Echon RDC ashimire kubana
no inokuba no ma policies narebuza sente zi central government kusendika zikija district zikoze tseme kwane zikora nibagira ngo buri muruka
ubundi batayiza report ziburakora bamwe.
No, tukajiteka no tukora quarterly report. The other time we used to do monthly, but now we do quarterly reports.
Bwanyuma ya mezi ashatu.
After every 3 years we do a report. Secretariat discusses it. The president, the minister, the president, they discuss it. And when they are going, banza kora budget, I know bakusinzira, bakamake sure baje. Amarwaru kanke chokuzana. Ni policy ya government kugira ngo buri parish be in health center tu. Buri muruka gono mu Uganda gwegwe in health center tu. Hino muruko gutajini. No mugwa goma MP kumanya ngo at least buri constituency in health center 4. Sub county ya health center 3. Ebe bintu ground video bya bitariyo. Then the other things must answer. You are sleeping on the job. Omutekanso program. No mwoga gwa RDC okuba sekamwa wa district.
Kuba nwe agambera
Yes. To be the chief government spokesperson in your respective district. Chief government spokesperson wa district ejo. District ejo na ba RDC.
Niwashemere kuba nagigambera.
Niwashemere kuba nagambera government. Deputy ya government omu district ejo. Washanga mu harimu ka gap omu information flow RDC nagwejejeri.
So ashobora kuba naza hantu abantu bakuba bari ahamfu ahamabaga
omu makanisa omu malamizo radio TV TikTok Twitter Facebook buri kono okumangulu wasa kushanga omunya Uganda ninga sho muntu okutaka mu district yawe omugambiro oti gundi these are policies of government wano chimango shimwe kubona otungechi na nechi. Those are the roles of the RDC. One, no moga gwa another one. No moga gwa honorable RDC okurwanisa obworo mu maka.
Ejo niyo Bible yanyu nukweri kugira
Mbibya negira ngu oshemere ku making sure President Museveni aje tureke kore chida chonka tugira ka sento munsha abo kugira mwarabiro mu iteka nawe nakugambira article 99 clause 3 article ngachubuzo munyangoro cyakure mu kungambira konka article 99 sinegira ngo it is the role of the president to be in charge of the welfare of the citizens of the country. N'omwoga gwa president kuranga umaka wali amaje waigaje wanywaje wanyira. So what does the president do? Na kufutera hembera kumeka sure warugo mu bintu nkebe. One wo utakwebasa nagira ngo oko ine kuba utunge ka million kawe kamwe aka PDM aje chikakuyamba kuranga wako mu mbere yo kwesims. Two, wo omukazi ori mu business zo mu UEP ofuna ka cent emyogero wo munyeto zo mu presidential skilling wo ningo utaje mu presidential skilling alishwa kota youth livelihood program gwande benefit so at the end of the day omunshaho ine makantu oinaka sente no yekunda
so ebyona bishemere kubana bigambwa RDC
no kubiteko
mu nkora
kanku gambe nico kintu kitokuma no mayango amateka nigagira abantu baza kwa license imwe baba TV na ba radio nibajamwe kutoka government airtime buri radio in a government program airtime
nambwe ni keji tuwagishashura
kandi shashura ni ndio mu government
twakweya
free of charge abo kuba ni mu government ni ukubagira kwa license bakaja ngo gumeto yasha eza government kugambira government program ezo shaha zo no bwiro bubona no bwa RDC
ngato koriyo no
yes
ukoriyo no uriya butara
RDC atabase kwija ibintu bikwata nshonga z'amagara asindike DHO district health officer roko shobora abantu hariyo Ebola nikimanyisa ki bashobora tugetandara tuta yebyo bwegese sindika DEO. Why? Because it is important Umunyarwanda kutambura mu kumanya abo kuba n'imyoga yite ecyakara mutegasa program no mwoga gwa RDC okumakinga sure abantu babenga amataka to resist all forms of illegal land evictions.
Bataka babinga amataka gabo ombehenda biragiro
RDC ward yo mu district tukahura ngo inabantu babingira hitaka ryabo omunkora yo bihenda buragiro RDC ogoshemera kuja okasha president Museveni okusasirwa ngo kateka muri resignation ngata President Museveni no amterance because president cannot be everywhere. When you want to be everywhere, you end up being nowhere.
Akatumimu
na jati mwene mu district ni wembere kalisho lisho abantu bitu babeke ngeshuba barije bari umutahaburu
batabiba hamataka ataba hemehondano
atakabe muntu omuntu wena babinjira yitaka ombehenda biragiro RDC na agweje jira rishafune tekuza kumureka no mwoga gwa RDC kumeka shuba abantu babingaki amataka gabo ecyakandi no mwoga gwa RDC okumakinga sure to mobilize for total community security and stability. No mwoga gwa government gwa RDC kurekinga sure ya mobilizing a community
habaho obusinge amwena n'obucurera
habaho n'obucurera obusinge n'obucurera no mwoga gwa RDC kugenda to mobilize. What is to mobilize? okukunga orundana abantu omekinga sure mu district yawomo hazaho obucurera na n'obutebenkevu n'obugwaji ogwo n'omwoga gwa RDC ahi butari RDC nagweje jiri
obusinjira n'obucurera bwaburo mu district nkibanji mayisango RDC
agweje jiri
ariyo Musalambarandi
agweje jiri na rota ashemire kuba naija akateka mu resignation letter agaja president, thank you for appointing me, I am sorry for disappointing
ariko ziri kuri n'umutere ngwara ryari
ariho kibakweta rewards and sanctions committee mu office of the president
numweta
tugira ngo ija turebe aha kahabera henshi na neki bikagenda bita abantu uza kuba binga amataka okolinka abantu wawe kurwara kolera bakaho kolinka.
Okay, reka baze katumbure mukaki.
It's okay.
Ayo rero natureba reka tuze omukahumuro kake munonga tuje ku bantu garuka ishuka ngo tuyine adadi no RDCs kana wowe kana RDC Moses omujugujugu akandi turi tugamba aha migasho na RDC byashemere kuba nakora vis-a-vis Omukurwanisa Obushomankuzi omu district reka tugaruke.
Wabano tumanya ngwente zinamagara marunji nizutereza amate minji kandi itungo rye namagara marunji naryo nirutereza amagoba minji mbwenereza itungo ryawe kirisa ekirukwetengwa nka primary high phosphorus okurugoma ba Eagle Vet Uganda Limited omuri primary high phosphorus harimo kirisa nka calcium magnesium zinc sodium nebindi birisa by'emigasho myinshi munonga wahereza ente yawe primary high phosphorus nikituma yagira amate minji kituma yagira amano go kwende n'imijuba chuwerente yakingirwa butarwara ndwara kitumanente etabure birisa omumagaragayo rebeka ngwajanja primary omubyo kurya byente zawe nkacacu ebinyansi ebyorukwherezente ezirukamwa ezikuruze hamwe n'enyina burizo primary nkeji epakingirwe kurunji omukilogramu zitarukwingana nka kilogramu 1 kilogramu 2 kilogramu 5 nobasa kugitungira izoba okurugoma Eagle Vet Uganda Limited omuri mukono mbarara mbare na hand hon primary high phosphorus healthy cows more milk better profits.
Skylight Hotel erestora uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ahi barukwereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex shumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi echenyanja muchamo obushaza akaru ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kandi echo kunywa nikigenderaho.
Hey manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha beyi nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DStv security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijuka ngu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36 36
mucha tompo twizi kunaruha nkashomaho
otwizi tuha mbire nakambire muhame mwami Muhame
bashejama
Muhame
bishi muhame no naza kunyo twizo ti muhame naza kuteme kitocho ti muhame no
Muhame Financial Services Cooperative Limited nibo bonkabe ine ansa yebizibu byawe byona tungo buhereza bwabo ka Gohe Main Branch Kaberebere Branch Rubindi Branch Gwebikona Branch muri Mbarara Ngarama Branch Butare Mbare Branch Mugaruske Branch Ibanda Branch Sika Branch Kachindo Branch
Nihagira abashubuzi nihagira abarisa nihagira abahinji wanonda kudabiriza enju
abana baza kugaruka hisho mbero
Nobugabe bwo mwana wawe usemererwa rero akafune bisiko nyencha kari honalebo abu yakuletera Nkole Kids Festival omukisayi bushenyi otakaferwa mizano nebyo kuzanisa ebiri mu bouncing castles first painting circus engamia
nebindi nka swimming pool okuvuga motoka by'abana bato kandi ebyona biryabaho ebiro mukaga byo kwamwe 2026 omukisayi bushenyi
nyabara wore to mwana wawe asemerwa no muto mutahiwe abu ebira singa hopaho tera no tumushanje not 5 chenda na mwenda chinana makumi ebernina ninga no tumushanje munana emwe makumi na 2 chinana 2 13
jump 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 1 2 3 1 2 3
In the neighborhood near stagnant water and mosquito breeding sites, malaria lurks, always waiting to strike. But fear not, for here comes Mr. Vaxa, the ultimate protector against malaria. For years, malaria has been one of the biggest threats to children under 5, making them weak and even putting their lives at risk. But now, the government is introducing a new solution, the malaria vaccine. The malaria vaccine is now in the routine immunization schedule. The malaria vaccine is administered in 4 doses at 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, and 18 months. This vaccine will provide extra protection against severe malaria. And don't forget, routine immunization protects children from many deadly diseases. Every vaccine matters. Visit the nearest health facility for routine immunization services today. Mr. Vaxa, the malaria vaccine is free, safe, and ready to protect our children. Will you join the fight and complete all 4 doses? For more information, call the Ministry of Health on 0800 100 066. This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health.
Mukahumurako kandi yabare kuba murebe murungi wa tayari DStv program ikiro negendo misho twasigaze dakika nke tukaba ntwendera nkine the dean of RDCs Moses omujugujugu akandi ogunwe nowe abamahari aba bakwebembera ba RDCs na ba RCCs zo mu Uganda yona kandi nawe na RDC okumurimbarara district ibakwita Kashari. So turiyo tureba yashobora amegasho ya RDC nuwoha kandi ashimire kuba nakora ki mbwenu ntwenda kwenderana na of course umegasho muno hari na okumushimire kuba no Rwanda Obushomankuzi na no kutwariza kubikwa abantu mbwenu ntwenda oyongereho kake ubwo twaturi ntendera imwimwe Omukurwanisa Obushomankuzi imwe nkaba RDCs
we bari munongo mutekanso program ne cyabuzima nko kuna nakigambire no mwogo gundo gwa RDC no kurwanisa Obushomankuzi omu district RCC kurwanisa Obushomankuzi omu city ningasho mu bibuga so onachikora hata one oine kubaza wamanya kumanya ekibakweta government releases government omu district yawe essential sente zingahi kandi zakora ki no mwoga gwa RDC mashemere kubashomere. By the way, the constitution article 203 Nigeria, the person to be appointed an RDC should be having qualification of a member of parliament. RDC ashemere kubashomere
senior 6
oshemere kuba ne senior 6 ugara higo
and above.
Why aho kuba no kushomebe ebintu kabyetegereza kushoma budget okagyetegereza kushoma national state of nation address okajimanya okashoma policies za government okazimanya ebe byono kizo kabishobora abantu. So no gwa RDC kumanya government releases sente government sinitiro mu district nezat sente government ez district kushoroza zo zikora chika nezat
kandi zikozisiwe
zita aho nkutancha kurwanisa Obushomankuzi washanga bakasindika billion 3.6 for example sinje usmade all of the money is billion 3.8 crore rugudo kilometers maybe 200 orugudo rukozirwe kilometers zipimire nizo BO2 bill of quantities kandi zigamba ashemere kwa hari muco mu rugudo okabyetegezo okabishomo kabyera ekiriya papura kiriya ground church tari cyo ko kiriya ground RDC arrests and takes for prosecution no go muntu namukwata mukoma bamutwara omukoti azakozesebo omushango gwa musinga bamukoma ningashari hirira. So no more actually to the number ya toll free yo kurwanisa corruption office of the president washanga hika corruption kari district yawe tune namba yo kutera yabuca tabakushara no rwatana
ejo nimo mukugitera ninga nitwe
emwimwe abantu baburisho
nene kwatwo
ekwatitwe a secretariat
nimo mukwata
tujikwata tukurikiriza
najya munezo wa president
itwe
zero tubahababere directly
0800 2023 2020 0800 2030 enambeje ko kugitera haro corruption yono mu Uganda yona tuba twakushikira
muntu yahababa
iwo muntu waburizo kagitera nayo kuba RDC runana ibintu atakubitambuzaje ari mu akantu kake tereje nama
ujyo RDC ogu yatushobera
RDC ogu ibintu katabicenga kaza mu kantu ka corruption kaza mu buri gwenguzi tereje nama tuba twakushikira so mutekanso program at the end of the day we are saying RDC ishemere ku monitoringa all central and local government services mu district to kubasa kuzimonitoringa ukuyeho utakuzimanya
aine kuzizorra misho akagira ngo
district neshoroza sentezi nizikorachi zikashemere korachi no cyo kurebera nasa no mu kaso sistema district kaso no mu gawara district sistemamo akamanya district netesabiha no mu gwa RDC kuba ine cyo bakweta district development plan office kanda kujimanya
ari
kujetegerezaje imitoma district development plan yayo neha neyerekereje kubachi hawo ko no mu gwa RDC kujimanya then akamobilizing abantu towards that no mu gwa kumanya esente zibasendika zona zakoreza ishemere kuba nikikora zazitakikozire arrest prosecute take to court omuntu ogwa mushari rumushango gwagumusinjire baje mu sente zitu zigarure ninga zo mu nkomyo kumara gwiro obuti na buti so umutekano wa program omuntu wono wo kuleba mu RDC na manisa cyanga amagara gawe oine kumanya RDC wabonoa oine kuba no namba yesimu hagire cyakushobora chona
batera RDC
muri imbere yona irukangozo mu office ya president mu district yawe buri kimwe chona akumurize area office n'ageta buhumuriro office ya RDC mu district n'ageta buhumuriro
nibakira ko bagira ngo nibakira abantu batugambera amanyati mu mwe batakubahika kongito batugambera bacafutugambera ngwe shonga z'amataka n'umuziko wataka bimononga kubi no kandi cyo nagariza kugambira z'amataka
omwoga gwa RDC
shonga z'abafire
cyo naza kugambira mu gwa RDC no kumeka sure ya to avoid illegal land evictions tini actually hati guidelines zigira RDC tukuza kugira ngo habeho any land eviction abanza kureta shonga cyo bakweta district security committee a passing a resolution habeho na minute
bajaye bahandika baje kandi HHB kugira ngo kutuye faxes twine bwamushijo butwine reka tugene neje aine kuba ine cyo bakweta resolution of the so that customer nkaka jato atumwe naha mu rugo no so abakuchikora bene bashikora mu bihenda amateka kandi ahibene bitambura kubi nyenda kwesa z'abanyabugara nyonka deputy dean on the office of the dean twenda kubesa za mutu sasa ibene bitakutamburaje but we can assure you turho kuherezi umuntu waburijo kumekinga sure akaruka wakuwatire ukatera karuke chonga no mwoga gwa RDC kumekinga kashuwa akaruka ukagira vari iwo kuchera umushana kafutera enjure kafutera ukatikinga president Museveni utinakutikinga na kwa karu omugasho gwawe RDC nwaine kumekinga sure akaruka wako kaje omugasho mutekanso wa program so nahabwecho mugume musikire office za RDC ziriho kubayamba ahubwo migasho yabiyo nabyereka okurwanisa buri bwenguzi n'umurimo cardinal roads za RDC byashemere kuba nakora
mwe mukuru okurwanisa corruption monitoring all central and local government programs kumeka sure services delivery ziri obuhereza buri ayibutari RDC adi amera mu muimuse mujyo RDC kaba kanabe ndi active atari ngara deputy nagira ngo no mugashogwa kurakanga shuwa ngo ibintu byatambaraje kandi kabitakutambaraje so at the end of the day baza kwishirira bakinga shuwa ngo waganyigwa omukutera akarukaho waganyigwa ko munya Uganda no ko munya Uganda naco nyine kukiganyigwa mukando kacimererwamo so n'umwuga gwa RDC kumekinga sure umunya-Uganda ari umbutebenkevuge ari umbutuzaje government program naziganyirwamo nazimanya no kuzimanya.
Okay.
So likuru munonga umunya-Uganda okukima mutekano wa program.
Okay. Turiyo ntendera nyenda kwereza dakikemwe. Hendera turya.
Webare munongo mutekano wa program nkuhendera nyenda kuja kushaba next time uteke akanyomero akabantu kutera kasimba kabuza. Toshangana nyine binari nshobora abantu ushanga attach it. So next time watera
akakura wano gamba nabo
bantu bagamba cecunga bazetegereza inakabura mwe naye bakwenda nyongeremo kasukari keko so batumpendera nyenda kwebaza umutekansa program ubiro bobuwampa program agitebekana saje nimwe babari ha TV mwe bari munonga nyenda kwagira nti n'umwuga gwa kumekinga sure embere yorimu yo kwetaga kuzamo niwo kuza kujetwaramo nebyo bice nyenda kubashaba mukumo businje mugwe mutayire office za RDC ajebi abashobera turuho kuhereza nebyo mukama witu agumenimwe.
Amina.
Ninye Moses omujugujugu kandi deputy dean wa RDCs na RCCs omuyanga yitu nyamunji Uganda
kandi RDC wa Mbarara
eba kwita kashari Bwizibwera
no kushitama. Okay. Kare ntwebaza the deputy dean of RDCs kandi Moses omujugujugu yebare munonga kwija studios za tayari West kunu yabugoro byo muri Kampala okarira mu abantu bitu nkengamba yeberebi yebare kubashomesa emigasho ya RDC na Rwanisa Obushomankuzi RDC nuha ebi byona yari ya program eji wabyega akani ntwenda kukwebaza. I think wasa kurenga handi togoroma kenyabehema wetekatekeji kanchereze na programs ezindi nazo amuzirebe ruhanga arinde.
Ekiri kukurataho aha tayari West